Testing, testing. All right, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys my apartment that I'm staying at. Stayed here for about 2 months. Yeah, come with me for a tour. So I'm staying on the second floor. Yeah, so this district is in Phu Nhuan. It's not too far from the airport. It's about like a 10-minute ride. So not too long. Very convenient. Not too far from District 1 and District 3. Yeah, come with me and take a look. So the entrance to this building is through the basement. You can rent a motorbike too. I believe it's about 200,000 Vietnamese dong to rent a parking spot per month. And then there's a store here too. I think it's like a beauty spa. This is a street. It gets busy during rush hour. A lot of local shops. So a lot of cheap street food, which is very nice. A lot of shops are closed in the afternoon. Usually they open in the morning only or at night or morning and night. Usually in the afternoon they like to have a short break, like a mini nap. So yeah, all right, let's go check it out. We do deliveries here too. A lot of people that stay here either do Grab deliveries or Shopee deliveries. This guy's bringing it in. Yeah, let's go down and I'll take you around. So you park your bikes down here. Elevator. There's a security here. They close the gate. It uses a fingerprint system to open late at night, so no random people could come in. I'm on the second floor. So each floor has 4 units. This is my unit here. Uses a key card access to get in. This is my place. I bought this on Shopee. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like 70,000 Vietnamese dong. It's like a shoe rack. And it also holds like hats and keys and whatever you want to hang. Very convenient. Yeah, about 70,000 Vietnamese dong. This is my place. Laundry machine right here. A lot of storage spaces. This is the washroom. Rainfall shower. Very nice. I use that all the time. All right. Yeah, toilet. Very good size for 1 person. Even for 2 people. Yeah, so there's a laundry machine inside. This laundry machine is over the top laundry machine. So you put your clothes from the top. Toshiba, yeah, very good laundry machine. The refrigerator, standard size. I'm moving in a few days, so I don't really have much in here. It's a few things. Trying to use up everything before I move. Yeah, kitchen right here. Microwave oven. Stove with a fan. So you could cook. A bit messy because I'm packing. I'm moving in a few days, like I said. This is where I do my work. I set up my laptop here. I can set up 2 screens. So yeah, a bit small, but I make it work. There's a couch, a TV. Don't mind the box. Just packing a lot of things. And the bedroom right here, I like the fact that it has a sliding door. So when I cook, the smell doesn't get into the bedroom. Very convenient. Yeah. Some standard size. Some storage for clothes. Yeah, what I like about this place is it has a very big balcony. You can even work out here if you have like a yoga mat or something. A lot of space to hang my laundry. Let me take you to the balcony. Yeah, balcony is pretty big. And this is the view. Yeah, there's a lot of storage place in this apartment, which is very nice. Yeah, so because this is a service apartment, there's a cleaner that comes in and cleans up the place once a week. That's included in the rental fee. So pretty good. So I'm guessing you guys want to know how much I pay for this place. So I'm staying here only for 2 months. So it's a short-term rental. So the price is a bit higher than if you are renting a place out for 6 months or 1 year. I am paying 14 million Vietnamese dong a month to stay here. I moved to this place during Tet holiday, so a lot of the real estate agents and landlords were not working. So it was hard to find a place because everyone was on holidays. But there were a few places available to see. And the prices during the winter season is a bit more expensive because a lot of people fly to Saigon during the winter time to escape the cold weather. So the price is a bit higher. The new place I'm staying at is very nice, and I signed a contract for 6 months, so I'm only paying 12.5 million, and I'll show you guys that place when I'm fully settled in there. Yeah, so there's pros and cons to staying in a service apartment. One of the pros is usually there is a cleaner that comes and cleans up the place. One of the things that a service apartment usually does not have is a gym or a swimming pool. So I had to get a gym membership at a gym near my place, about a 10-minute walk. And I did a short-term contract with that gym for 2 months as well. And I pay 500,000 Vietnamese dong per month for this gym membership. One of the things I like about this gym is one of the floors has a boxing arena and punching bags, so I could train Muay Thai and boxing, which is very nice. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification because that would really help me out. All right, peace out.